Kumo and Olerato makes means for their first date. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 8th to the 12th of November 2021 on Monday. Olerato takes a risk on her date with a stranger only to encounter a danger. Mjegejege jumps through hoops for a gamble to save his family on Tuesday. Mjegejege tries his luck and tonight Lady Luck is on his side. A knight in shining armor saves the day for Olerato, putting a smile on her face on Wednesday. Mjegejege makes moves to hide his money from Petronella. Kumo and Olerato make plans for a really first date on Thursday. Mjegejege lottery secret is out just as the causes warm up to Kumo and want more of him. So does Olerato on Friday. Will the lotto riches ruin on Mjegejege's relationships? A ghost from the past return to intrude on Olerato's happiness. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.